Welcome to this MachineBuilder quick tips video on saving and revision management. There are 3 different ways that you can save your design in MachineBuilder. The first, by going to Menu and selecting Save. The second, by clicking on the Save icon in the top navigation bar. And the third is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. By default, the autosave feature is turned on, which saves your design every minute. If you'd like to turn it off, navigate to the menu and select Settings. Under General, you can untoggle the autosave feature. MachineBuilder also includes a revision management tool, which allows you to view and revert back to any previous versions of your design. To open a previous version of your design, select the revision icon in the top nav bar, and select the version you would like to open by either double-clicking or selecting and clicking Open. Saving an older version of your design creates a new branch in the revision management tree, preserving all work previously completed. The most recently saved version will always load when you reopen the design. In designs with multiple collaborators, the tool shows which users saved the design and includes a timestamp. It's also possible to create a new instance of your design. Do this by selecting Save As from the drop-down menu in the top nav bar, entering the required information, and clicking on Start Designing. This creates a separate file of your design in its current state.